Collagen is often associated with youthful skin and joint health, but its role in heart health is just as critical. As women age, collagen production naturally declines, weakening the structural integrity of our arteries and heart tissue. This can contribute to increased stiffness in blood vessels, higher blood pressure, and a greater risk of cardiovascular issues. Well, there's good news. You can take proactive steps to rebuild, protect, and boost collagen levels to support a strong, resilient heart. On today's show, I'll explore 3 powerful strategies to naturally enhance collagen production and keep your heart in top shape. So friend, if you're ready to discover how to naturally boost collagen for improved heart health, then grab a notebook and pen and let's dive in. Hey friend, welcome to Integrative Medicine for Energy and Health. Are you struggling with low energy, excessive weight, chronic fatigue, imbalanced hormones, or body aches and pains that are robbing you of enjoying life? If you're ready to take the guesswork out of living a healthier life, you're in the right place. Hi, I'm Rekishia. I'm a mom, honorably retired Air Force veteran, award-winning author, social worker, and Christian alternative medicine provider. For years, I tried improving my health through conventional medicine and nothing worked until I finally found a simple strategy that was easy and fun. This podcast will provide you with natural ways to increase energy, lose weight, regulate hormones, and improve your mood. If you're ready to live, look, and feel better, grab your favorite cup of herbal tea and let's jump in. Welcome to Integrative Medicine for Energy and Health, the podcast where we dive deep into holistic health strategies to help you feel vibrant, energized, and balanced. I'm your host, Rekishia McMillan, certified health coach, integrative medicine provider, and fellow health warrior on this journey with you. February is Healthy Heart Month, and today we're talking about a topic that often gets overlooked when it comes to heart health, collagen. You may know collagen as the secret to youthful skin, strong hair, and flexible joints. But did you know it plays a crucial role in keeping your arteries strong and your heart functioning optimally? Well, we're going to explore the science behind it and give you some easy ways to restore and support your body's natural collagen production. Before we dive in, I have an exciting announcement. If you're in the Trenton, New Jersey area, I'd love for you to join me on February the 17th for a free Healthy Heart workshop. This is a community event packed with health education strategies to maintain a healthy heart, delicious healthy foods, interactive games, and prizes. If you are someone that you know is looking to improve their heart health naturally, this is the perfect opportunity to learn, to have fun in a supportive environment. So be sure to mark your calendars and spread the word. And with that being said, let's get into today's show. Collagen and heart health, the overlooked connection. So what is collagen and why does it matter for your heart? Well, collagen is the most abundant protein in your body. It's like the glue that holds everything together, from your skin and your bones to your blood vessels and your heart. When it comes to heart health, collagen plays a key role in maintaining the flexibility and strength of your arteries. And as we age, collagen production naturally declines, which can lead to stiff arteries, increased blood pressure, and a higher risk of cardiovascular disease. Studies show that maintaining healthy collagen levels supports arterial elasticity, which is crucial for proper blood circulation and heart function. I want to share 3 ways to restore and boost collagen for a stronger heart. The first thing you want to do is increase collagen-rich foods. You can boost your body's natural collagen production by consuming foods that are high in amino acids. And amino acids are those building blocks for protein that support essential functions in the body, including muscle growth, tissue repair, and enzyme production. So you want to eat things like bone broth, wild-caught fish, organic chicken, egg whites, leafy greens, and citrus fruits for vitamin C, which help collagen synthesis. Number 2 is that you want to support your body with collagen-boosting nutrients and supplements like vitamin C, which helps convert amino acids into collagen. Great sources include oranges, bell peppers, and strawberries. Copper, which is found in nuts. Nuts that are rich in copper include cashews, almonds, walnuts, hazelnuts, pistachios, and Brazil nuts. Cashews are especially high in copper and provide a significant portion of that daily recommended intake in just one serving. You want to include seeds that are rich in copper, like sesame seeds, sunflower seeds, flax seeds, chia seeds, and pumpkin seeds, which are all my favorites. And sesame seeds are high in copper, which support energy production and overall health. You want to include silica. And silica is a natural compound that's made of silicon and oxygen that supports collagen production, bone strength, and skin health. It's found in foods like cucumbers, bananas, and oats. You also want to incorporate supplements like Unicity's Joint Mobility. And this is a powerful supplement that's designed to support joints, cartilage, and cardiovascular function. I personally use this and recommend it for my clients. And Unicity Joint Mobility contains bioactive collagen peptides and turmeric. And these work together to promote strong arteries, improve circulation, as well as reduce inflammation, all which are critical for heart health. And so adding this to your daily routine can be an easy and an effective way to replenish that lost collagen and support heart function naturally. You can check out today's show notes for the link for this supplement. For a deeper dive on the importance of bone strength in women, I want to invite you to listen to podcast episode 232, which discusses natural methods to enhance bone strength, which is closely related to collagen health because strong bones contribute to overall cardiovascular well-being. And number 3 is that you want to avoid collagen killers. If you want to protect your collagen levels, you want to avoid processed foods, excess sugar, even smoking, which all break down collagen and weaken blood vessels. Instead, you want to focus on those whole foods that I mentioned and an anti-inflammatory diet that supports overall heart health. To explore how sugar consumption affects hormonal balance and learn practical steps to manage your sugar cravings, you want to listen to podcast episode 225, where I talk about how hormonal imbalances are linked to sugar cravings and 3 simple steps to break free. So let's wrap it all up. Collagen just isn't about looking youthful. It's a key player in your heart health. By nourishing your body with the right foods, lifestyle habits, and collagen-boosting nutrients, you can support your heart naturally and keep your blood vessels strong and flexible. Adding a high-quality supplement like Unicity Joint Mobility can further support your body's natural collagen production and overall cardiovascular wellness. Well, that's it for today's episode. If you found this valuable, share it with a friend, especially someone looking to improve their heart health naturally. And if you're in Trenton, New Jersey, don't forget to join me on February the 17th for the Healthy Heart Workshop. It's going to be informative, fun, and packed with resources to help you take control of your heart health. For more health tips, you can visit my website at rekishiamcmillan.com and follow me on social media. Until next time, stay healthy, energized, and vibrant. I'll leave you with Ephesians chapter 4, verses 15 and 16. Rather, speaking the truth in love, we are to grow up in every way into Him who is the head, into Christ, from whom the whole body, joined and held together by every joint, which is equipped when each part is working properly, makes the body grow up so that it builds itself up in love. Hey friend, I hope you enjoyed today's episode. If so, would you take 30 seconds and share it with a friend who may want to have more energy and improve their health naturally? Also, I would love it if you could leave a quick review for the show on Apple Podcasts. It blesses me tremendously to know that this podcast is helping you. Alrighty then, it's time to go make a protein shake and go for a hike. No more days of feeling tired and drained. I'll see you in a few days for another episode. God bless.